So here I have all the things stacked up and I'm getting ready to go for the Newtown. My holidays are coming to an end, but it was a it's raining outside, so I need to like cover it up with some plastic, otherwise it might get soaked in rain. I don't have any kind of thoughts beyond that. So let's just pack it up later. This is my headphone, it's going here. Yeah. So we are ready. So we are ready to just start the journey, and it's just getting really late. It's rainy outside. I don't know for who I'm waiting for, but yeah. Let's just start here. So much. I'm not saying you anything. Hello. How are you feeling right now? In English. woke up. Unfortunately, it was not a 5 a.m. because I just got home late yesterday, as you have seen already. That was quite devastating. So I have edited and uploaded my that series of growth with me challenges for 30-day growth with me challenge. Make sure you follow me on Instagram for the update. Here you can follow and also can scan this QR to follow me, so that you can see all the updates and all the behind the scenes there. But yeah, so I was not able to complete the yesterday's ones, so right now I'm in office and I'm ending this one. Yeah, until then, stay happy, stay blessed, and love yourself. Bye bye.